guy had told me he forgot his wallet one time. And remind you, I'm in a whole, like, a five-star restaurant, and now I'm looking like, damn, I didn't order mad drinks. I'm like, this is the first day. Now I'm gonna have to pay for the bill. You know how stressed I was? And then I was really stressed. I'm like, God damn. And I had to pay for it because it's almost like I had to pay for it the way he said it. And I'm like, fine. So I paid for it. But you could tell my mood just changed. I'm like, in my head, I'm never going to hit him back up again. This is not how, it's not giving what I'm supposed to give. Right. So as I got home, because he had asked me for my Cash App, I thought he was lying just to play it off. So as I got home, and then the money was in my Cash App, and then he sent a little bit more. That's when I was about to say, did he send more? No, he sent it. I was shocked, because I thought he was trying to get away from it. I'm like, that's just some cheap stuff.
No, he was testing the water.
All right, so, man, this is crazy. This is crazy. You have people like this that think that this is cool, and we're gonna talk about it. So you telling me that you ordered all of these drinks, you ordered all this expensive stuff, and you thought just because he left his wallet that you start panicking and everything like that? So, come on, man, fellas, you got to be careful. And I agree with the guy on the panel. This was absolutely a test to see where your head was at. And the fact that your mood changed after that, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna send you your money via Cash App, but you ain't got to never worry about being on another date with me. Like, it's over with. And I think that it's so crazy, right? It's one thing to go on a date and expect somebody to do something, right? It's another thing to go on a date and basically take advantage of somebody, because had he not paid for that date or whatever, would you have ordered all them doggone drinks? You have people that literally, when they go on dates and they know or they expect or they think that the other person is paying, they will literally order the most expensive-ish on the menu just because somebody else is paying. When you're going out with someone, and I don't know if this is just like a Southern thing. Since moving out of Rock Hill, I will say that things have kind of shifted it, and it's a little bit different. Some things that I've seen from different people, thinking that it's okay, to have a heavy hand, to take advantage, to do the most or expect the most from somebody that's doing something from you. The way that I was taught, the way that I was raised, if somebody is doing something for you, if somebody offers to do something for you, you should either, again, if you're on a date or you're out and about anywhere, order what you were going to order from the jump or order less. Never. I don't even understand why it would even cross your mind why you would want to order something more. Like, that's a freaking leech, man. To me, that is an absolute leech. Somebody that think, okay, so because this person is paying, oh man, listen, we about to ball out. I'm about to do the most. I don't care if this person has $100,000, $1 million, or anything like that. Like, bro, I'm not looking to take advantage of anybody. Expectation stuff, expecting somebody to pay for your meal, and then you go and order the most expensive-ish on the menu, or you're ordering a buttload of drinks, and it's something that you're not prepared, you're not okay with spending. To me, that's wrong. That is, it's disgusting, man. It's disgusting that you have people out here that think stuff like this is okay, and then really think or believe that this guy would even want a second date with somebody like you. Somebody like you. When I say somebody like you, I mean like the mindset. Anytime that I'm talking about anybody on these videos or whatever, I'm not speaking directly to that person because I don't know that person individually. I'm speaking and I'm talking about their mindset. Got a fish? But yeah, I want to hear from y'all, man. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments, all right? Until the next time, man. Y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.